Kirabu mwanchu muliria ni gotokwende masemo asoroboti ruabene ase serikali kaunti ya Nyamira yabereke gusira sekta yobochenu anene mono chinga kyo mugavana wi kaunti ya Nyamira Amos Nyaribo abeteka gusioria obokoleri imenya gitari ya Nyamira Referral nigo abamenyi bensemeyo babere bakorwa ebirengereri byabo kubwatikana no bokoleri barachikonyora ase nyagitari yo kulindo mulikeito job maangi na ireteli bagalia elia bene asogo twariganiria oroboti urungu chikogotigana ruo elindo nyarekoba gukororigereria ritariane Frida Kerubo ngokuganiria oborigereria obuya.
This will be a state-of-the-art facility.
Maiga yogwechiwa kwerichiko lyokobeka ensemo echibesa chogosira esekta yobochenu ne bunge ye kaunti ya Nyamira aso mwaka bwetiri bubere ne merongo ebere na ibere Nyamira County Facility Improvement Fund Act egetago yokoligereria emebasokano na bali abaganetye okorwaliwo kwa bwango nakyo amatunda amatangani.
What we are calling a state-of-the-art accident and emergency. The aim of this unit, Your Excellency, is to ensure that we hold up to 90 to 95% the traffic of patients from within Nyamira County to the neighboring county facilities.
Omugavana bwe kaunti Nyamira Amos Nyaribo nigo abaga kuigora na gosioria egetago gyokoligereria emibasokano na korwalia abaroire baganetie okobwanigo kwa bwango asomono bwe Kenyamolero Accident and Emergency Unit chitalikinye omochenyo kane omwaka bwechiri bubere ne merongo ebere na isato.
So we are here to officially launch the Accident and Emergency Ward.
Asateba ensemene chigokonya anene mono abantu baganetye okobweni kwa bwango.
Because people die, one reason why people die is the delay getting attended in hospitals. But now it's possible to be attended fast enough before the ward is ready.
Rwire tege tambo kurugotalira enyagitali Nyamira elindi koligereria egetageke ase oboime. Egetageke nigo kebwate ensemo ya CT scan, chigari chia ambulance, nensemo yokorosia embeo ya oxygen. Mwaziri wobochenu kaunti Nyamira Timothy Ombati nato erete buna egetageke gyokoligereria emebasokano inkero siri boikiranu ase kaunti Nyamira ebwate chinsemo ibere chokorosia embeo ya oxygen.
We've told you about our oxygen plant, and actually we have two oxygen plants. One that produces 540 liters per minute and another one that produces 150 liters per minute. One is the one now servicing us because we don't need two to run.
Engane abagekobe kwa esegeto nomo engineer okoligereria mangane okorosia embeo oxygen processing plant Eric Kurgata.
We generate our own oxygen. We have 540 liter per minute oxygen generating plant. We have a capacity of filling 10 cylinders in 24 hours.
Ensemo yokoligereria ebimo byaime bose ase omono bwe Kenyamolero CT scan boigo mbero betie.
We have the 64 slice CT scan and the 16 slice CT scan, all functional. We have 2 radiologists and 1 on training to access our scans online.
Unatoba tokwero n'umunyagitali otenenerete amangana echi ambulance mbero beti boikeranu.
Each sub-county has got 1 ambulance. We have 5 sub-counties. So plus the 3 we have 10 ambulances working.
On the status of our ambulatory system in the county referral hospital, it's up to date.
Aba MCMB ruete kubwatesia serikali ya kaunti Nyamira na gusaba serikali ya kaunti Nyamira gukorera abamenyi be kaunti Nyamira emeremo.
na hukuingia kwa sababu ya manufaa yako mwenyewe. Unajua uliingia kwa sababu ya manufaa ya watu wa Nyamira. Hata mimi niko nyuma yako, nimeingia.
And I want to assure you that Waziri, you have a vibrant team, and as the Assembly, like the Chairman Budget has said, we are already giving you 30% of our budget, and they say to whom much is given, much is expected.
And we need, Your Excellency, you pump more resources to this referral so that we can have more services to our people.
Ensemo ya bamenyi ukona kukogani babwate igoro y'Nyagichari ya Nyamira.
Na baronchi amona emergency ya Nyagichari ya Nyamira. Mtoto ke Nyagichari na baronchi amana ya ebe gengo konya tiji kumanga ni no koronchi kubozera kini ndo wesa konyora mukonyi wando kubasenya.
Egento na rugo sabankirina bayimbururu services Mario gato ka orobia kirigento gito pikirigita ke atimoje bana gito koja amacha to ke Nyagichari amacha na robo chen kama nyamacha ro kirigento ke Nyagichari turumu lero muire ya konyo kabisa
Nigo egetago kimebasokano kiaretira liberera linene lya kisiasa asegati abana siasa bamotirie Nyagichari ya Nyamira
ya Nyamira tena roho kitonebwa peyitu arega bakobona ngeto mujuo yara gotera owe nuri ringi kero kito nita fisa ko onde fiso mega so amari ya roho kitomari ko ngigere to
Korende omugabana bwe county Nyamira Amos Nyalibo n'omuwaziri w'obochenu Timothy Ombati basabire abarai otasona ni siasa ase sekta y'obochenu.
Anasema Nyamira hakuna oxygen. Nyamira tunatengeneza oxygen, tuko na mitambo mbili ambao ingine moja tutachukua hospitali ingine ndogo. Kwa hivyo kama unataka ugawa na hao kazi ingine, ongea na wananchi, utoe sera zako. Mimi nilitoa sera zangu, ndio nafanya.
Abantu batatu gocha gutora, be patient and allow the government to work. Ndio wanaibo iyama ligia tuwe tisikai gakore kiego
Nerebuya serikali ya county Nyamira kubwatirana n'ababwachani ao irinde gukinia ekerengo kyobochenu ase county ya Nyamira.